that you could come at very short notice to join us here for a formal statement from the Azimio leadership with regard to what happened in Kenya yesterday. And as you know, it did not just happen in Kenya only. We had demonstrations also in South Africa. The only difference is that in South Africa, the demonstrations were fairly peaceful. The police were escorting the demonstrators peacefully. But here, the demonstrators were met with brutal force. And as a result, there was loss of life. We lost 2 lives. We have injuries. We have those who are in police cells. We have those who have been taken to court. And before I invite our leader to speak to the nation, I would like to request all of you to be upstanding to observe 1 minute of silence for those Kenyans who left us yesterday.